have something really amazing to share with you guys. Make sure not to click away from this video. Let me show you this. Are you seeing what I'm seeing, guys? How on earth do you explain something like this? Did you guys just see that? This is really mind-blowing. I just kept a command that it should write a story about a young girl who left school. And look at all what it generated. And this is all without any sort of human effort at all. For the first time, genuinely, I think OpenAI is up to something that is changing the film industry for good. Trust me, this thing is really amazing. And this was the reaction of OPL Senior himself when we were introduced to this particular AI tool.
What? Charlie, see. Oh no, I'm done. Charlie, look, 3 cameras got it there. Canon, Blackmagic, and the Sony FX6. My God.
Priceless, guys. Developing story ideas is really very difficult for me, and it's not as easy as it sounds, especially developing a story that's really intriguing. And as you saw, I just told the computer, write a story about a young girl who left school, and we already have a story. But it doesn't just end there. Let's take it to the next level, because let me show you. If we take a very close look at what it has generated, for example, it says, once upon a time, there was a young girl named Emily who lived in a small town in the countryside. Can you guys believe that? It has even named our characters. That's one thing about AI systems. We always believe that they lack life or they lack context, but this is amazing. This is crazy. I mean, this knows context is actually naming the characters and even putting them at a particular location. Let's continue the story. It says, Emily was a bright and ambitious student, and she loved going to school and learning new things. However, one day, something unexpected happened that changed the course of Emily's life forever. Goodness, can you imagine? It's even introducing goals and conflict and all those things into the story, which makes a story really great. I mean, this is a great hook because in this case, they are telling us that something unexpected happened to this character. This is kind of like a generic story idea, which you might argue that this is not the way we in the film industry write our scripts, or this is not a script writing format. Now, this is where it gets creepy. Looking at the format that it has generated, let's go ahead and tell it to generate a film script out of this. Let's put it to the test and see. I'm not going to cut. I'm going to keep this continuous, as raw as possible, so that you guys will not think it was edited in any way. Let's tell it to generate a film script from the story above. Okay, continuously. I'm not cutting, guys. No cheating. Enter. It's now thinking. Continuously. I'm not going to cut the camera. Let's just keep it going. What is going on, guys? What is going on? Interior, math classroom, day, and there is scene description, the principal, there is dialogue. My goodness. Goodness gracious. Goodness gracious. And it gets to the end. It's game over, bro. Game over. I mean, I I never thought I was going to see this in my lifetime, guys. I can't believe what is going on. I can't believe my eyes. This is totally really amazing. And you saw it in real time. No tricks. I didn't cut nothing. I just wanted you guys to see this happening in real time, as raw as possible. Wow. Let's analyze the script. Let's go through it. And you guys would see the genius behind this whole AI. It started with a fade in, which is a transition, and it's actually placed at the correct direction that on a normal film script we do place things. And look, interior, math classroom, bay. That is not a human written script. This is an AI script which knows film formatting and picked a story, a generic story. In fact, it generated the story by itself. We only told it our idea and it generated the story for us. And we now went ahead to tell it to generate a film script out of that story. And there we are. We already have a script. The camera pans across a busy classroom filled with rows of desks and students hard at work. Emily, 16, sits at the front of the classroom focused on her textbook. Suddenly, the door burst opens and the school principal, 50s, rushes in, panting and out of breath. It's game over, bro. Game over, man. If you can criticize the script right now, do let me know what else a human being would have done here, which would have been extraordinary or which would have been different from what we have seen right here that this AI, artificial intelligence, has just generated for us. Now, at this stage, you might think that this is all it can do, even though it's awesome. But let's take it a notch higher. Let's ask this AI how we can shoot this script and see where we can go with this. How can I shoot this script above? Let's enter. Goodness, in real time, I'm not cutting this. Look at what's going on, guys. Look at what is going on. So it didn't just give us a story, it is now telling us how we can shoot the story. And see, it concludes by telling us that by following these steps, you should be able to shoot the script successfully. And it starts by saying to shoot the script above, you will need to follow these steps. Step number 1, gather your cast and crew. You will need actors to play the roles of Emily, the school principal, and any other characters in the script. You will also need a director, a cinematographer, and other crew members to handle the technical aspects of the shoot. A computer, a man-made software has written a script, is doing a breakdown, and is advising you, a human being, as to how you can shoot the story. I'm short of words. If this isn't the future, I don't know what else is. It's really mind-blowing. But again, you would think it will end there, right? Wrong. Let's ask it which kind of camera we can use to shoot the script. Believe me or not. Let's try this. What camera can I use to shoot the script above? Now, again, I'm not going to cut. Let's just see in real time what's going on here. Press enter. Goodness gracious. Goodness gracious. Let me zoom in. See what's going on? In real time, I'm not cutting this. Goodness gracious. Crazy, guys. Really crazy. Amazing. Look at what it's saying. There are many different cameras that you could use to shoot the script above. Some factors to consider when choosing a camera include your budget, the type of footage you want to capture, and the specific needs of your production. All right. If you are looking for a budget-friendly option, you could consider using a smartphone or a consumer-grade digital camera. These cameras are generally easy to use and can produce high quality footage, making them a good choice for beginner filmmakers. If you're looking for a more professional option, you might consider using a DSLR or mirrorless camera. These cameras offer a wide range of features and settings. Tell me what else to say, guys. I've never seen something as creepy as this. At the same time, can you guys see the full potential? There are so many things you can use this thing for, and it opens up doors. You can ask it any question relating to geography, economics, from almost all facets of life, and this AI would definitely have something very tangible to discuss or to share with you. Let me know how you use this software, and after using it, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. But please make sure to go to OpenAI and check this thing out, because they've opened this to the general public to try for free. I don't know for how long. If OpenAI, you're watching this video, I doff my hat to you guys for making this, for bringing this to the public domain. I know you guys have kept so much effort into this, yet you have chosen to put this out free of charge to the public to try. And I just wish the world can celebrate the geniusness of OpenAI and what they have done with this Chat GPT. So if any of you want to try this out, just go to the description below. I have the link right there. Just click there, go there, register, and go play with this, and let me know what you guys think about this software. I just hope I was able to translate, the excitement, and I've just been blown away. I just hope I've been able to translate that on camera, because genuinely, I'm really blown away by all what is going on with this particular software. And if you're seeing my face for the very first time, welcome. This is Africa Amaze channel. Over here, I do talk about cinematography, photography, editing, and all its related branches right here from Africa. And I would do much appreciate it if you do click on the subscribe button. Please make sure to turn on the post notification bell so you are notified anytime I drop awesome content like this from the Africa Amaze studio, because you know what? We also watch movies and talk about other movie industries across the globe. And if you did get a ton of information out of this video and you did discover something new, please sponsor us by clicking the like button, because that goes a long way in helping other people discover this channel right here on YouTube. Until next time, as always, guys, keep practicing filmmaking. Peace out.